So the first measurement for my legging is just this top circumference waistband. We're measuring straight from fold to fold across here, and then we're going to double our end measurement to get the full circumference. This one is a straight line measurement that we're going to take. The additional measurements from here down, so like for the hip, are actually at 7 inch, and it's a point-to-point measurement. So I am going to use this safety pin that I have here and mark 7 inches down on the tight. And then I'm also going to use a second safety pin here to measure 7 inches down in the center front, and just kind of put a pin here so that I know exactly where those points are. So I'm measuring from fold to fold, going from point to point, and instead of walking that tape all the way straight across, I'm pivoting my tape to then hit the 7 inch mark down on the other side. As we move down the garment, we're just going to check out the leg circumferences. So I'm going to move one leg kind of out of the way so that this leg lays nice and flat on the table. My thigh circumference is measured 1 inch down from the crotch point. So that's again going to be fold to fold, and we're going to double it. For my knee circumference, a little trick to finding your knee placement at half of your inseam length is to fold up the garment halfway, so the bottom hem of my leg is actually hitting the crotch point here, and then I'm marking where that fold was, and that's my knee placement.